Welcome to this short video lecture. And in this video lecture, I will discuss about present continuous tense. So present continuous tense is an important part of English grammar. It's an important part of the tense. So we will get to know about present continuous tense in this short video lecture. Let's start. First thing, let us understand the structure of a sentence in present continuous tense. So how a sentence in present continuous tense will look like. It will be like subject plus the helping verb am, is or are. Then we will have the main verb which will be in ing form. Alright, so subject is the topic that the sentence is about. That means the sentence that we are writing or we are speaking about. So that is the subject. And yes, we need one of the helping verbs from these three verbs which are used in present continuous tense depending on the subject. We will put am, is or are. And the main verb, yes, the action word. That means the subject is doing or what is happening to the subject will be expressed in ing form. Example will be like, she is playing tennis. Yes, so here we have the subject she, then we have the helping verb is, and the main verb play is in ing form, that is playing tennis. Let us see another one. I am attending English class. Let us see the uses of present continuous tense. So where we use or apply present continuous tense. Present continuous tense is used to describe action that is happening right at the moment. That means as a speaker, the moment you are speaking about something that is happening. जो तुम अभी बोल रहे हो, जो अभी हो रहा है, उसके बारे में हम लोग प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस में बोलते हैं या फिर एक्सप्रेस करते हैं. लाइक इन दिस सेंटेंस शी इज प्लेइंग टेनिस. दैट मीन्स द मोमेंट तुमने जब उसको देखा तो वो क्या खेल रही थी या क्या खेल रहा है, टेनिस खेल रहा है. शी इज प्लेइंग टेनिस. लेट्स कंटिन्यू. Let us see another example. I am teaching English. She is reading a book. They are playing football. I am ringing, but he is not picking up the call. Now, present continuous tense is also used when we are talking about two incidents or two actions happening at the same time. जब हम लोग दो जो हो रहा है, दो चीज़ें एक साथ जो घट रहा है, उसको जब हम लोग बोलते हैं तो प्रेजेंट कंटिन्यूअस टेंस का इस्तेमाल करते हैं. जैसे कि सेंटेंस में आई एम रिंगिंग, दैट मीन्स दैट मोमेंट द पर्सन वॉज कॉलिंग. राइट, दैट मीन्स ही वॉज डायलिंग. वो फ़ोन कर रहा था, तो दूसरी तरफ क्या हुआ, वो फ़ोन नहीं उठा रहा था. दैट इज आई एम रिंगिंग बट ही इज़ नॉट पिकिंग अप द कॉल. मैं फ़ोन कर रहा हूँ लेकिन वो फ़ोन नहीं उठा रहा है. Right. So that is present continuous tense. It tells us about things that is happening at the moment. And most important thing that you need to remember is using the helping verb is, am, or are, and the verb will be in ing form. Let us see. I am teaching English. Example, she is reading a book. And then we have they are playing football. The same examples I have quoted here. Now, let us see another one. Here I'm talking about the uses of time mode. Yes, in present continuous tense हम लोग कुछ समय को मेंशन करते हैं, जैसे कि now हो गया, at the moment, right now, today. So it will be in sentence like I am teaching English grammar now. Yes, मैं अभी English grammar पढ़ा रहा हूँ. I am teaching English grammar now. Let's see another one. They are playing football today. Yes, they are playing football today. Now, present continuous tense is also used to talk about some future event. That means जो होने वाला है. जैसे कि ये last वाला sentence, they are playing football today. That means आज वो लोग football खेल रहे हैं. They are playing football today. So the thing that you need to remember and understand is that putting up the correct helping verb is MR. It has to be there in the sentence, and the verb will be in ing form. I hope this short video lecture will clear your doubts regarding present continuous tense.